do a quick walkthrough video. I'm over here at Up Above Lodge. You also have Up Above Adventure, right? That is the Got Her Hooked boat right there. And I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough. Let's check out the boat. Let's check out the condo. You know, if you want to book a trip. You want to stay somewhere the day before. Well, that's what we have the condo for. You can stay the day before, the day after. You can stay in the condo and not even worry about booking a trip. But let's walk through real fast. Let's check it out and see what we have going on. All right, so let's walk through here. Now this says restricted area. That means it is private. So if you're around, you don't have a booking, then stay out. Let's jump on the boat real fast. Watch out for the open hatch. Up Above Adventure, got her hooked, baby. So she's a Viking. She's a sports fishing yacht. Nice big salon area. Nice galley, full kitchen, right? Place to sit. You can chill with your guests. Watch TV. We have Wi-Fi. Starlink, which means you have Wi-Fi, cell phone calls as far out as you want. As far as we go, you'll stay connected. Now here's the kitchen. Couple of refrigerators. Nice seating area for you and your guests to hang out, chill. Like I said, on the TV, watch the TV, watch the game. Watch your head right here. Come right down. Here's one of the staterooms. Couple bunks. Crew normally sleeps in here. You have the master bedroom. Nice, big, comfortable. I'd say queen size. It's near queen size bed. Closet, and we have the master restroom with the shower. Yes, you can take a shower when you're out on the open seas with us. And here is another restroom with the shower, full restroom. And here is our forward room. You have a bunk on top, nice full-size bed down here. And yeah, I mean, this is an awesome, very plush, luxurious Viking, 55-foot Viking sports fishing yacht. So if you want to book with us, come on. We will take you out. We'll go offshore, 12 hours, 36 hours. Hopefully soon run some 24-hour tuna trips. We're going to do some jetty trips. We want to go near shore. You only got 4 hours, 6 hours to spare? Well, let's go. We'll take you out, do some near shore fishing on the jetties. All right, so that's the boat, right? We also have an awesome fly bridge with a 360 view. We can poke our head up there and take a look. Why not? Gotta watch your step going up. Here we go. Nice big 360 view. Enclosed, heated and AC. And we're at the marina right next to the bar and grill. Nice big old, nice beautiful view. Front of the boat. There's the condo, full wraparound balcony. So pretty awesome place for you and your guests to sit and relax and chill. Always blaring some tunes. Guys just finished cleaning it, so the mat's on the chair drying. We'll set it down. But yeah, nice big comfy plush baby. Alright, let's get down there. Go down. Jump on the condo real fast. Alright. Let's see what's up. Alright, so this is condo, new addition to Up Above an Adventure. You get Up Above Lodge. So, Wi-Fi, couple nice, big, comfy, plush couches, great view. Check out the parking lot. You can see what's up, see what's around. Master bedroom right in here. Big old nice, beautiful bed. Great view. I mean, this view, being by the water, being able to roll out of bed and literally walk out and be on the water and walk out to the boat the day before your trip. That's phenomenal. I mean, that's crazy to be able to do that, but you can do it. So nice big bed, master bedroom, lounging chair, TV. We got it going on. We got ceiling fan, a couple more ceiling fans. That's what's up. Nice big area, fully decorated. It's so plush. This is so nice. All right, so this is your bunk room. So typically when you go out fishing, you and your buddies, taking a couple clients, well, you always have to do the coin flip and see who gets the master room and then who's in the bunks. But don't get it twisted. These are solid, very comfortable bunks. Very nicely made bunks. You have two right here, sleeps two right here, a couple that sleeps right here in this nice big spacious area. And yes, we do have a wraparound balcony and sliding glass door, and I'll show you that in a minute. We'll check out the balcony here in a second. Restroom, stand-up shower, nice big comfy area where you can take a shower, a little stool where you can set your bag down, got toilet. You got Ruben, Texas all water fishing. What's up, Ruben? Yeah, got the sink. Hey, you even got a window over here. You want to, holler at the boys if they're hanging out over here, or check out, see who's at the bar and grill. That's what's up. All right, let's check out the kitchen. Beautiful decorations. Nice flow of a condo. Nice flow of the up above lodge. Got some cool stickers. Let's check out some stickers. Who we got? Oh, we got Saltwater Soul in the house. Who else? What? Texas all water fishing. That's what's up. Got the up above adventure logo. Yeah. All right, so here's the kitchen. Nice area. I mean, you can sit here, chill, drink some coffee, hang out, look out. Oh, dolphins swimming around. Yeah, let's go catch some dolphins. Got the coffee pot, stove. You want to come and cook? But man, why cook? You got a bar and grill right there. Just come out, hang out. Nice kitchen. Store your stuff. Got the TV in the kitchen. That's what's up. Oh, ceiling fan. Yeah, baby. Got to have those fans. All right, so let's check outside. Let's see. Let's go around outside, check out what's going on. Because that's not it. You get the condo, right? You get the condo. Condo's cool. Condo's chill. It's for you and your guests. What else are you going to do? Well, you can go sit on the balcony. You can hang out, look at the water. We have palapas, patio set. You can fish. Yeah, you could fish before the fishing trip. What? You can fish, you can crab. We have a private dock. Yes, absolutely. Let's walk around. Let's check it out. Let's see what's up. All right, I can't be so loud and so crazy. People around here working. All right, we're going to walk around the wraparound balcony. There's a door from the master bedroom. That'll take you out. You also got a sliding door as well from the other bedroom. But yeah, it's a chill area. Little area to sit. Grab a chair, bring a chair. You and your guests can hang out at the palapas, and don't worry about those cushions. We're gonna kind of stand them up so the birds don't poop on them. But yeah, little palapas, little patio area. You got the boat right over here. Walk around. That goes to the master bedroom, and the other door over here, like I said before, there's a sliding door that goes into the other bedroom. And there she is. Got her hooked. Beautiful 55-foot Viking sports fishing yacht. At the area you can chill. Everybody can hang out. Night before, day of, day after, fish a little bit. If you're not going to go book the boat and you want to just come stay in beautiful Galveston, the biker rally, Mardi Gras, whatever reason, then yeah, come out. You and your guests can hang out, chill, fish. Little guys like homeboy over there fishing. Yeah, let's walk down. Let's walk downstairs and see the patio grounds. Let's go see what the water looks like up close. All right, so here's the patio area. Like I said, got a few crab traps. You can bring some bait. We got some rods we provide for you. You can bring your own rods. Right next door is the bait shop, so you can get yourself some bait. Come out here, hang out, fish a little bit. Come in here, hang out with your guests, chill, hang out in the little patio area. Nice little palapas. Just come out. Nice, peaceful, quiet area to sit, relax. Bring your turtle box, bring your little bit of music. Hang out, fish. Drop some lines down, see what the fish are up to. But yeah, this is up above Adventure Condo. Up above Lodge.